Welcome to Unit 4. This unit is all about food. I love chocolate, but I know it's not great to eat too much. I love fruit too, especially strawberries. What are your favourite foods?
My favorite food is definitely lasagna.
I guess avocado, anything with avocado pretty much, especially sushi.
My favorite food is my mom's cooking, and she makes the best pork in the world.
In this unit, you'll learn how to use expressions such as how much, how many, a lot, a little, a few, and so on. You'll look at which of those expressions you can use with countable nouns and which you can use with uncountable nouns. Find out the secret to a long life and at the same time learn about articles, or an, the, and no article. Do you like eating ice lollies or crisps? How about chocolate chip cookies? I know they're unhealthy, but I love all three. In reading and speaking, you'll read about how these three types of food were invented. Vocabulary and listening focuses on words describing quantities and containers. A bunch of bananas, a packet of tissues, a box of chocolates. Would you like some more cake? Could you pass the salt, please? Everyday English looks at expressions you can use when you're having a meal with other people. Are you ready for a challenge? Go online and complete the challenge task. Use the discussion board to share ideas with each other. Have fun. See you soon.